Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we have two equations. The first one, that is about y minus s with first derivative of y equals to the square root of s squared plus y squared. And the second one, we have the negative sign next to the square root of s squared plus y squared. Now I will concentrate this one first. So we see that we have s squared plus y squared under the square root. So that should be about degree number 1. And we know that is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First derivative of s, we have number 1, so we have v. Now I will put this one to change for y, and this one too. This one we change by this one. So s squared and s squared we can do about factorization. The square root of s squared, we have s. Next, we simplify s for the both sides. So, because we have the negative side, so we change the side of this one. So, v minus v, we cancel. Next, this one I will put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about v equal to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus tan t squared. We change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and dv. dv, we have secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. dv we change by this one. This one we have secant of t squared. The square root of secant of t squared, we have secant of t. Now we simplify the integration of this one. We have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equal to arctan of v. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan with arctan, we have v. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About the s, we have s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now, about this one, you can do the same technique, but on the result, they will cancel the negative in here because we have negative with negative in here. They cancel for the both sides, and this is the final answer. So we have two solutions. This is the end. Thank you for watching.